Welcome back to Gemmy Investing. This week has been huge for crypto, with major updates you can't afford to miss. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 stories shaping the crypto world. Let's dive in. Story 1. Bitcoin's price surge. First up, Bitcoin is making headlines again, as its price skyrocketed past $40,000 for the first time in months. Analysts point to growing institutional interest and declining inflation fears as key factors driving this rally. Major institutions, including BlackRock, have shown renewed interest in Bitcoin ETFs, adding fuel to the fire. But is this the start of another bull run? Many experts believe this momentum could carry Bitcoin even higher, but caution remains around regulatory uncertainty. What do you think? Are we heading into a new Bitcoin boom, or is this just a temporary spike? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Story 2. Ethereum's new upgrade. Next, Ethereum continues to innovate with its latest upgrade, the Shanghai hard fork. This update brings improved scalability and reduced transaction fees, making Ethereum even more appealing for developers and investors alike. With gas fees often cited as a barrier for adoption, this upgrade could be a game changer. Plus, Ethereum's shift to proof of stake has already reduced its energy consumption by over 99%, attracting environmentally conscious projects. Could this upgrade solidify Ethereum's dominance in the DeFi and NFT spaces? Stay tuned for more updates. Story 3. New crypto regulations in major economy. Finally, a major regulatory update. Insert country is taking steps to legalize cryptocurrency for international trade. This could open the door for global adoption, especially for countries looking to bypass traditional banking systems. However, stricter Know Your Customer (KYC) rules and taxation policies may pose challenges for smaller investors. While regulations aim to bring legitimacy to the market, they also add complexity. What do you think? Will regulations help or hurt the growth of crypto? Let's discuss below. Conclusion that wraps up this week's top 3 crypto stories. From Bitcoin's price surge to Ethereum's game-changing upgrades and evolving regulations, the crypto world is buzzing with excitement. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.